The current plant that we're in Denver was constructed in the 1950s. To this new plant, where there's a lot more design or product capabilities we'll have and product mix that we'll be able to provide to the Rocky Mountain region. We created a design team to look at the plant in total. And one of the things that we had put out to the vendors that were bidding on the project is innovative ways that we could both manufacture concrete and other technologies that they could bring back to us. And that was one of the things that Standley Batch was able to show us solutions that, one, we weren't really aware of, but also because of our experience with Standley, we actually knew that they were a good partner for us to work with on the project. Interactions between the Basalite design team and Standley was excellent throughout the whole project. We were able to convey what the project schedule's needs were, and Standley was able to step up and make sure that we were getting timely deliveries on the materials, but also their installation teams were fantastic on meeting our needs and at the same time keeping up with the project schedule. One of our design approaches by Basalite was to look at ways where we not only satisfy the needs of our current market, but also grow and be able to provide products in the future. And a few things that Standley was able to identify and be able to provide to us during this time was both the bin solutions and the batching on how we can supply the amount of concrete that we needed for the machines to run with any type of product mix that we were looking for. Working with Standley, Basalite's team was able to come up with a plan so that we could not only satisfy the needs of today, but also in the future. One of the core values at Basalite is safety, and that was one thing that Standley really understood, not only the safety of our employees, but also how to have the appropriate safety protocols for our maintenance group as they're doing maintenance on the batching system and also the equipment around us. Basalite was on a tight time schedule, especially with the commissioning of the machines, and Egan was able to put the time and resources in to get us up and running. Basalite was able to incorporate the different automation, especially in the new Fort Lupton facility, by being able to separate our wet side manufacturing from our dry side manufacturing. Being able to separate those two operations will allow us to run more efficiently in the future. Basalite values the partnership we had with Standley on this project. From all the parties that were involved, from the Basalite design team to Standley's design team, we were able to really come together and put together a great product.